y'all, this is Jas. Welcome back to my channel. Normally I do hair videos, but today I got something for y'all. So I did a video not too long ago about how I purchase my luxury items. I do not pay retail price for my luxury items, the Louis, the Gucci, all of that. I normally buy my stuff used. So today I have a new bag I'm gonna show y'all. So I purchased this bag off of Poshmark. I'm actually gonna open it on camera with y'all so we can see together how it looks. I'm very excited about this purchase. If you look at my other video, I told y'all that whenever I'm looking for a bag, I usually have to research it and like just look for the best price and the best condition. With this bag, I actually searched for maybe 2 months on someone that was trustworthy, first of all, and a bag that was in good condition for a good price. So I have the bag today. I'm gonna open it on camera with y'all. So to give you a little background, whenever you purchase luxury off of Poshmark, which is one of my favorite places to purchase luxury off of secondhand, if as long as the purchase is over $500, they will go ahead and authenticate that item for you. So what that means is the person that you bought the bag from will actually send the bag to Poshmark's headquarters. They will inspect the bag, authenticate the bag, and then the Poshmark's headquarters will send it to you. So that's what I have today. So here is the bag. You see it got Poshmark's logo on it, and we're gonna open it. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm so excited, y'all. Like I just can't. So whenever they inspect something, it usually comes with their stamp of approval and a card basically saying that they authenticated the item. So here is the card. It says they inspected this Gucci bag, because that's what we have, and who actually inspected it. And it comes from Poshmark Authenticate. Yeah, I think that's how you say that, but that's where it comes from. So this is the card that you have for the authenticity that Poshmark sends. And here it is, y'all. Y'all ready? Because I'm ready. So a little background, I own 2 Gucci bags. This one is actually in the middle size, I think, between the 2 that I have. So I'm actually very excited about this purchase because I've really been looking for this bag for a while. So here it is. It came with the original box. All right, so the seller also sent the dust bag here. Here it is, cute. And so this particular seller also sent the receipt with it, and that's, or a copy of the receipt, and that's what I actually look for when I'm looking for trusted sellers, is people who have the receipt, just because I know Poshmark is gonna authenticate the item, but I also want a receipt for my records. So this particular seller actually had all of that information. So here is this. She actually sent a note with it. And it says, "Thank you for your purchase. I hope you enjoy your new bag," which is super cute. It has all the paperwork that normally comes with Gucci here. Here is the receipt copy here. And I do want to point out something to y'all. Just because something comes with a receipt copy does not automatically mean that it's authentic. They can go get fake receipt copies and all of that stuff if they truly are a scammer. But that's why whenever I purchase off of Poshmark, I'm going to make sure that it is over $500, so the item is authenticated by an authenticator at Poshmark. If I purchase something somewhere else, I usually get my bag authenticated by Real Authentication, which I talked about that in my other video. So here she sent the ribbon as well that comes with Gucci purchases. All right, so I know I kept y'all waiting long enough. So here we are with this bag. So here it is, y'all. So I am a person who likes smaller bags. I have like, the biggest bag I own is like a Never Full from Louis Vuitton. I rarely use that. I am a more practical person when it comes down to bags. So I really wanted this, but y'all, isn't it so freaking cute? Like, look at this thing. And I'll show y'all some pictures of me wearing it. But the inside is so clean, okay? And just look at it. This is what the back looks like. So if you're not really familiar with Gucci, this is the mini chain bag in Dusty Rose, but it's really more like a tan color. And y'all, it's just so beautiful. I'll do a close-up on it later on in the video. But y'all, I am in love with this. The condition is impeccable. So what I'm gonna do for size comparison is compared to my other Gucci bags. So let me go get those real quick. So we're gonna do this one at a time. So this right here is the Gucci Marmont Super Mini in hibiscus red. I think that's how you say it. And for size comparison, this is the mini chain bag, wallet on chain. I can't really remember what the proper name for it is, but this is the Super Mini. And this is the mini chain bag. So this is how it looks compared together. See how much bigger. Now this one is thinner. Now I do like this Super Mini because it's more options with this bag. You can wear it crossbody or you can wear it as a waist bag because it has a key ring in it. My other bag that I have is still the Gucci Marmont collection, but it is the bigger bag. And so this is the, I can't say the word, I think it's like Matalase. I don't know. I'm from Alabama, so I don't know how to say all these words. But this is the Gucci Marmont, and it's in the small. And so when it comes down to size reference, you have the mini chain bag. So that's here. And then the Super Mini is even smaller than that. So you have this. So as a point of reference for the black bag or the small, this is how it looks on the side. And then this one can be worn crossbody as well, or you can wear it as a shoulder bag because the strap is adjustable. See here, or you can wear it like that, maybe like that for a crossbody. I would say out of all of these bags, my favorite size would probably be the Super Mini, but that's just a personal preference for me because I like small bags. I think if you had to go for the most practical bag, I would say probably this one. And that's why I bought it. But y'all, ain't she gorgeous? Yes, she is absolutely stunning. And this color is going to go absolutely good with my shoes. All right, so that's about it that I have on the video. If you have time, go ahead and check out my video on how I purchased my authentic luxury items for low. I will say I did not pay retail for any one of these items. The black bag I got for 50% off because I bought it used. The red bag I got for about 25% off retail. And this one was about 25% off as well. Yeah, I wanted to get it cheaper, but I just couldn't find it. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like, if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Anyways, I will see y'all in the next video. Have a good day.